We're here at Core with the Cappellotto 3200 recycling unit. Let's take a look. The water recycling system consists of 5 separation filtration stages, resulting in the cleanest water being reused by the Uraka jetting pump. The first stage of the water flows through a perforated screen separating large debris before the rotating filter drum. The second stage, liquid material enters a self-cleaning rotating filter drum before being pumped out of the sludge tank by a centrifugal pump to the third stage. The rotating filter drum reduces the product down to 100 microns. The third stage is the horizontal cyclone filter. This filter returns any solids back to the sludge tank. The fourth stage is the 5 separate water tanks. These tanks act as settling tanks to remove any finer sludge or light debris. As the water passes through each tank, it receives further filtration until it reaches the last tank, where it then reaches the final stage of filtration. The fifth stage passes through twin vertical water cyclones, providing additional particle concentration reduction. This typically captures 97% of PM10 and above. This is far greater filtration achieved than anything else on the market. Once again, any extracted particles are returned to the sludge tank. From the final cyclones, the water now flows into the Uraka water pump, being free of any particles that may damage the pump during normal operation. This multi-stage recycling water system guarantees the highest quality water of any recycling system on the market. This ensures a longer life of all components in the system, including the water pump. It also eliminates grit blasting of the asset from the water. It still contains high levels of grit and contaminants. Overall, this equals a much lower R&M cost to the owner over the life of the unit.